What's up, y'all? My name is Shona Bell, and I'm your Freedom CPA, and today I'm coming to you to talk about how you want to start attracting high-value, high-paying customers to improve your business income and your lifestyle. I help accounting and tax professionals grow and scale balanced businesses so that they can work less and get paid more. And on today, we're going to dive into why high-value, high-paying customers is more important than anything else in your business. And the number one mistake that we're all making, or I'm not making anymore, but we've all made. So let's just jump into it. High value, high paying customers are seeking high value services. They are financially free, most likely. They are in a place in their life where they value their time or their money. They may even have more money than they know what to do with. So would they be seeking a low-paying accountant, CPA, bookkeeper, and things like that? No, they've already experienced that. If I can do more with my time, or I value my time over money. So I'm willing to pay someone whatever they cost in order for me to get the result that I need as quickly and efficiently as possible. And if you're out there charging low prices, they are going to look over you and go pay somebody else to do the service. Now, you have to decide, who do you want to cater to, or what lifestyle do you want to live? Do you want a lot of low-paying customers, or do you want a little bit of high-paying customers? So once you make that decision, you'll have to make some changes in your business. And number one, it's increasing your prices. If what I said so far does not connect completely for you with that, let me explain. So again, high value, high paying customers value their time over money. They already know that I'd rather pay someone more to guarantee that I'm going to get what I need. They are not the people that shop in Walmart. I'm not trying to throw shade on Walmart. However, they're known for their low prices. I forget their tagline, but they're all about low prices. And the store is catered to have a lot of things in it. They have to sell high volume to people that can afford those low prices. So that is the experience. High value, high paying customers that you want, they do not prescribe to that lifestyle. They prescribe to, what can I get online? I don't care how much it costs. My time is more important. Let me just go buy that thing. So when it comes to, so that's Walmart, right? They're, like, what are you looking for? Household goods, maybe clothing, different things that Walmart sells, right? But when it comes to their financial services, what do you think they're going to be looking for? They're not going to be looking for someone that charges $200, $300, $400, $500 for a tax return. No, they're past that. They're already like, they charge that? No, they must not be good. So if your goal is to attract those types of people, you need to increase your prices. And while you're increasing your prices, you need to make sure that the services that you're providing are top notch. Are you doing what's comparative to other people are doing that have these high value clients? And I'm not saying you need to add all these bells and whistles. Like, no, they don't care about that. They care about the payoff. They care about the value. They care about, is my finances right? Is my taxes filed correctly? Am I paying as little as possible on taxes? And to answer those questions, you do not need to do a whole lot more work. If anything, those low paying customers are more work because, they don't always follow instructions. They don't always meet deadlines. They don't value time because they have not transitioned from trading time for money. They, they're too busy working because they have to work so much for so little. They don't really have time to spend on their finances. So if anything, the lower paying customers are more headache, getting them to pay. And so depending on the lifestyle that you want to live, high value, high paying customers, higher prices will result in less stress. Now, if you're saying, well, what if I don't know a question they ask? What if they have more going on than I know what to deal with? I have a solution for that. Community. That's how I built my business. I did not start my business I started my business knowing that I didn't know everything. I knew how to do what I've done in the past, which is work a corporate job, be a controller, be a CFO and things like that. However, I didn't know all of the, tax planning tactics and how to, do all the technical things for people that when they work for themselves. So I leaned on community heavily. I did. There were things that I began to master and people leaned on me for. So it's like a give and take thing. Like I'm great at sales. And a lot of us accountants and things like that, that is not their thing for whatever reason, but it's mine. I love sales. So anyway, I say all that to say, if you're hesitant to say, I can't go after these high value clients because I don't know enough and haven't been out there long enough, that's not true. That's not true. You need to just figure out what makes you unique, figure out the strengths that you have, the weaknesses that you have, and lean into both and get in alignment with what you need in order to change the projection of your business. That's all you have to do. It sounds simple, Shona. It is simple. I mean, it is simple. When you have a community or a coach, like that's what I did. I hired a coach in the beginning and I've had coaches ever since. And I've had communities. I've had people that were smarter than me. If you're ever in a room by yourself for too long, and a lot of us solopreneurs do that, like we're literally in the room. There would be days, weeks that I was literally the only person that I thought with, that I spoke to, that I bounced ideas off of. And that was crazy because you can go crazy with that. So if your current business is not looking like you really want it to look, if you're struggling with having too many clients and not being confident enough to increase your prices, I am happy to offer a free consultation. The link will be in the show notes or in the comments, in the show description. Feel free to book a call. Let's figure out where you are, what you need to get started, and go from there, because life is too short. Living another tax season with being stressed and just not having enough time for your family, or just feeling like, well, this is just the way it is. No, it's not. It's not. Trust me. So check out the link in the show notes and book a call, and I'll be happy to help you think through, talk to you, help you not be the only person in the room where you're like, that you have to think with. You gotta open up your thoughts, let them out and bounce them off of a person and not just yourself. Because if you leave them in there, they're gonna stay there and nothing's gonna happen with them. They're just gonna grow stale and you're gonna be stressed. So I hope this was helpful. Comment below, let me know what you think. And I wish you all the very best. Hopefully I'll be talking to some of you soon, and be blessed. Take care. Bye.